Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Let's talk about how Christmas came early this year to help you supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom is here with her little reindeer bear. We are talking about Christmas idioms between now and Christmas Day, and then we'll switch to probably ending idioms as we finish off the year. So Christmas came early this year. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little disturbed when I found out the etymology and the origin of this particular idiom. Now I don't know if it is from before then, but what it means. We'll talk about what it means, then I'll talk about where it came from so I can get up my gumption. So it means a happy surprise, a magical experience, an awesome gift, something that comes to us that was unexpected probably, but in a positive way, a happy surprise way, because Christmas is supposed to be happy and positive and fun. Now it isn't for everybody, of course, but nothing is. So we're looking on the bright side of things. Now, where did this idiom come from? Supposedly, it came from New Mexico, and the practice of eating a breakfast burrito with red and green chilies on it. Well, when you eat it with red and green chilies on it, sometimes you get a movement in your nether regions where you have to go to the bathroom and it's quick and it's a surprise. And so supposedly that is where this particular idiom came from. Now, I think everybody knows that it's a happy surprise, a good surprise. And I don't think that that origin is necessarily a happy surprise in many people's circumstances, but supposedly that's where it came from. So congratulations, New Mexico, for, I don't know, muddying Christmas. But share in the comments below today. Let's all share a happy surprise that we had this year. Maybe you won an award. Maybe you landed a whale of a client or customer. Maybe you had a great partnership or a great interview, or were featured in social media or in some other form of media. Maybe you were on TV, whatever. Maybe you got a great Dream 100. Dream 100 are the great clients that we want to work with, the great influencers and people we want to work with. I learned those as being called the Dream 100. From Chet Holmes and Russell Brunson. So maybe you had a great launch or a great online program or a great sale or a great month of sales. Maybe you had a record year for sales. Maybe you had some huge customer client stories, whatever it is that was a happy surprise. Now, we're all in business to do better and make profits and things like that and land big clients. But sometimes we even surprise ourselves and we get a bigger bang for our effort than we anticipated. So share one of those happy surprises in the comments below. I will do the same. Have an awesome day. Enjoy these Christmas idioms. If there's one in particular you'd like to know the origin of, I'm wishing I hadn't looked up Christmas came early this year, but now that I know it, I can't unknow it. So have an amazing day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.